Let's talk about LKCO and why the price been jumping down after we did this massive move by yesterday. So what we gonna expect? A lot of you guys ask me what we gonna do. Should we buy? Should we sell now? All this will be answered, and we're gonna do a confirmation for the other rejection area and where we're gonna see the price will move. This is really important video for you guys, so stay tuned, like and subscribe to my channel, and check my Patreon link down in the comment section below if you want a pre-market for LKCO before the market opens. You be ready to handle exact price value with me, the trading Jesus, and you have the access for Discord, private Discord, and you be the first to know about the exact price value for any stock. Of course, if you ask me about any stock, I'll be reviewed for you and with the precise price value for this stock that you want me to review. So without further ado, let's go right to it and see what LKCO been doing. This has been crazy day. So let's go and see what's happening. So, as we predicted in this video before, I told you guys, there is a potential that the price will see a drop and bounce from our exponential average to do a bit of, to give us a bit of a bounce. As we can see here, guys, we have the price jumped even for $2.45, guys, for $1.45 before we got a massive rejection down. That's why we see the price actually getting down here exactly at our level at $1.21. And as we can see, while I doing this video, and the pre-market is $1.27, $1.27, and we see, as I told you guys, we're gonna see a bounce from our level here, exactly at our price here at exactly our exponential average, and we got this bounce, and that's why we see the pre-market the price moved from $1.22 to $1.27, and now by today there's a big massive a test for $1.29, $1.30. This is really important level to test for LKCO to move up, because we did this massive move from the 23rd of April, and now we have this bounce. This is really good, still is really good, because just use your common sense. The price was the downtrending for LKCO, down from $3 at the top over almost $4 even. Yes, almost $3 something, almost $4, and now we've been trending back from beginning of this year until now, and we doing this descending triangle. Then we have this big massive move up. The idea is, when you see this massive move up without testing the resistance, usually there's a lot of selling pressure. People want to break even, or people just want to sell with less losses. That's why we see this trigger and the big selling pressure happened. Even the volume, as we can see, is trending up. Even we broke from our descending line from this triangle. We have all the technical support us. We have that technical support us, but the psychology of people really important, because when we trending so long time, this is psychology always happen in the stock market. Because ask yourself a question: when you hold in a stock and been trending down, so after a while you see a big jump like this, you just want to sell with less. If you have like 40% down, you saw your portfolio 20% down, you cut your losses and move on, because that's what we saw here. So the turning point now, the volume, if keep going up, we're gonna meet all this selling demand with a lot of buying pressure. So it's like we push this selling pressure and change even there's selling pressure, there is more buyer than seller, and this will move the price up. But now we still holding. This is really good, because when we did this big massive buying pressure, we still holding above the exponential average, and we see this bounce even in the pre-market. So what are we gonna see? As I told you, we see a test at this $1.29, and this is really important for ending this week above that $1.30, guys. Really important. This level we need to test $1.30 and closing above $1.30 in order to tell you guys we're gonna see test again for the $1.63, because now, as I can see, we trending above our AMA. Our volume is doing good, is above the zero. We have the bounce, so now just we wait for confirming the price. If go above the $1.30 will be really perfect for LKCO, and we will never go below our exponential average. This is really important. Around this level we do not go back below the $1.18. This is preferably the best case scenario. If LKCO by this week didn't go below the $1.18, this is a guarantee you guys that the price we're gonna see again, test again for the $1.45, and then we break this level to go to $1.63. If, only if, as I told you, hold above the $1.18. This is really important level to hold. And the second one to hold, the other strong support now, because the support, as I told you, change at $1.11. This is really important, two support level. The most important one is $1.11, because this is the turning point. If we break it, we're gonna go and see a lower low for LKCO. But for $1.18, this is show us a strength for LKCO if we didn't visit the $1.18. If we don't break and we have a closing candle and below the $1.18, this would show us a genuine move for this price up, and we see the price sooner rather than later test for the $1.45, because you like common sense. If we have the price go lower, the lower you go, the harder for the market or for our stock to go higher to test the other resistant level faster. So we don't want to go and lose all the momentum that we did at 23rd of April. So we hold above the $1.18 in order, as I told you, to hold above the $1.30, and from there test again for $1.45 in order to see a test again, a big massive rejection around the $1.63. So that's it for LKCO, guys. This is really important. I'm trying to make it simple as possible to decipher the technical point of view for LKCO. The more simpler my idea is, the more show me that I'm know what I'm talking about. At the same time, our strategy is working. But if it's complicated, like most like traders do, like with a lot of names, is mean like the more hard, like complicated the things is, like you make it for, even for people, this mean you don't understand what you're talking about. So I'm really happy that you understand what like my technical, this show me that because I'm trying to make it simple as possible. And I see in the comment a lot of people told me that they actually understand everything, and this is really important for me to show and to teach you guys how to trade. And that's why I'm here. I'm trying to make a profitable trader and hunter, and that's why I make this community to help you guys. So as I told you guys, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you want to support me, go to Patreon, the description down below, in the comment down below. and you can be watch like the videos in pre-market before I put it in YouTube, and another reviews for your favorite stock. And there's a lot of option if you want a caution one-on-one with me and how to trade and everything. You can see it in a Patreon and Discord link if you subscribe to my Patreon. So everything you can see it in the comment section below. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. See you guys.